Good morning, children. Hope you are doing well. In our previous class, we have done multiplication sums, right? Very soon, FA2 exams are going to start. So today, we will do revision for FA2. Let's start. This is a blueprint of formative assessment, that is FA2. Marks will be out of 25. First bit, write the number names. 1 to 800. Randomly, we will give the numbers. You have to see the number properly and write the names. Second bit, fill in the blanks. It will be in a dodging form. Tables from 2 to 9. Right? You have to be very perfect in tables 2 to 9. Third bit, multiply the following. The simple multiplication sums will be given. That also from table 2 to 9. Fourth bit, write the multiplication fact. Addition fact will be given. You have to write the multiplication fact of that. Fifth bit, orals. In orals, you have to send the audio of table 7. Right, children? Hope it is clear for you. Now, children, we are doing FA2 revision. The first bit is write the number names. A1, 106. ONE1, HUNDRET 100, SIX 106. Okay. B1 214, TWO2, HUNDRET 100, FOUR4, TEEN 14, 214. Okay. C1 309, THREE3, HUNDRET 100, NINE 309. Okay, D1, this is 2-digit number, 87. EIGHTY 80, SEVEN 7, 87. E1 523, FIVE 5, HUNDRET 100, TWENTY 20, THREE3 523. Okay, read the number properly, then you can able to write the number names. Okay, F1 619, SIX 6, HUNDRET 100, NINE 9, TEEN 19, 619. G1 714, SEVEN 7, HUNDRET 100, FOUR4, TEEN 14, 714. H1 761, SEVEN 7, HUNDRET 100, SIXTY 60, ONE1 61, 761. I 420, FOUR4, HUNDRET 100, TWENTY 20, 420. The last one, 800. EIGHT 8, HUNDRET 100, 800. Understood, children? Okay. Let us do the second bit, fill in the blanks. So, for this, children, you have to be perfect in tables from 2 to 9. This is in a dodging form. Okay. Just read the tables and write the answer. That is the product. Okay. One line I will show you. The other line is a homework. Okay, you do that. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 3 6 are 18. 4 into 8 is equal to how many times? 32. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 7 8s are 56. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 5 tens are 50. 7 6 are 42. Okay. The other side, read the tables and write the answers. Third bit is multiply the following. These are simple multiplication sums. Here also you need to be very perfect in tables. Read the tables and do. First start from ones place, then go to tens place. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8. Okay. Now 3 twos are 6 and 3 fours are 12. Here on ones place we have 1. So read the table of 4. 4 ones is 4 and 4 fives are 20. Okay. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. The other four sums you do it on your own. Fourth bit is write the multiplication fact. Here the addition fact is given. You have to change into multiplication fact. So how we will do? You count the how many 2's are here. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times 2. Okay, so 3 times 2 means 3 into 2 is equal to 6. This is your multiplication fact. First you have to write how many times 2 is here. Then you have to write 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 2's are 6. Let us see the B1. 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. So how many 3's are here? 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 means 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 3's are 12. C1. 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many 4's are here? 3 4's. Yes. So how do you write? 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 4's are 12. D1. 5 plus 5. 2 times 5. So how do you write? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 5's are 10. E1. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So how many times 6 is here? 4 times. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 4 6 are 24. F1. 7 plus 7 plus 7. 3 times 7, right? So 3 into 7 is equal to 21. G1. 8 plus 8. 2 times 8 here. So how do you write? 2 into 8 is equal to 16. H1. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 3 times 9. So 3 into 9 is equal to 27. So like this you have to write the multiplication fact of the given addition fact. The fifth bit is orals. You have to read the table of 7 very perfectly. Understood, children? Here we have completed our revision. All the best.